This is Ujjayi Pranayam and the number one treatment for snoring, which most people don't know. People also don't know that snoring can actually increase your weight and increase your sugars, both through very simple links. Because at night, if you are getting less oxygen, there is more inflammation, there is more insulin resistance, and poor sleep will increase your ghrelin, your hunger hormone, and reduce your leptin, your satiety hormone. So, sleeping well and getting rid of snoring should be number one priority of all diabetics, and 60 to 80% diabetics snore. So it's a big problem. Treatment, Ujjayi Pranayam. Deep breath in through the nose, closing the glottis tight. Breathe out through the nose only. This will tighten up and strengthen your throat muscles. You can do around 6 in a minute and do this for 5 to 10 minutes every night before going to bed. You will thank me for life. Also, you need to lose weight. Minimum 5 to 10% weight loss is needed if snoring is there. And third thing, try and sleep on your left side, because that's the best way to sleep. But of course, we can't sleep in the same position for too long, but sideways sleeping can help to a small degree. So start Ujjayi Pranayam, enjoy the benefits of it, lose weight and play around with your sleeping position, because it's important that you get rid of snoring and obesity and diabetes, and all three are connected, jam-packed. Okay?